Hey, Leo Kin here. Today we're going to discuss on how to create a simple freeze frame animation inside After Effects. Hopefully this will be useful to your projects. Okay, I have a great clip here of a guy running in slow-mo. The first thing that we're going to do is to camera track this clip. You can go here and just type track or just press Ctrl Enter if you're using Andrew Kramer's shortcut plugin. I encourage you guys to use this. It's going to make your life easier, and the best part of it, this baby is free. Then after you click on the 3D camera track, After Effects will begin analyzing the layer, counting the percentage of the clip track and the total number of track frames. Then once the blue stripe turns to orange, a little dots will appear on the video clip. Don't worry about this. These dots are not renderable. They only serve as referential. Once the footage are analyzed, we're going to choose a tracking points. Just hover your mouse and choose whatever tracking points that you're comfortable with it. A triangle will form between three tracking points that you're referencing, and a red target will appear to help you visualize the flat surface. To set the plane, click the target based on the surface of your choice, in which I'm choosing this white wall. After you click it, if you notice, the red circle will stop moving. Just hover to the red target, right click, and there are several selections. I'll be choosing Create Null and Camera. And if you're going to check your timeline, it generated the camera and the null object. If you go to the camera and press U, you can see a series of keyframes from the positions and orientations that was generated. And all this data are now in the null object. Okay, the next things we're going to do is we're going to drag that same clip from the project panel to the timeline. Drag the scrubber and look for a part that you want to mask. And I'm going to choose this part. Go here and create a marker. You can drag it or just click to create a marker. Right click on the clip, then choose time, then freeze frame. Scrub this and everything is frozen in time. Go back to the specific time frame, then trim the clip by pressing Alt right, then square bracket. Then we're going to start masking this guy using a pen tool. Click the pen tool, zoom in, then start masking. Guys, if you're going to mask, don't do this. Come on, and don't do this. Just click, then slide. Click, then slide. Click, then slide. Okay, let's go fast forward. Then after masking it, we're going to make this layer in 3D. If you don't see the setup, just press F4 to show or hide layer switches and modes columns. Okay, click on 3D, you will see the layer disappeared or got misaligned. We'll fix that later. Then go to the null object that we generated a while ago, then press P for the position. Copy it, then go to the mask layer, click on P, then paste it. Then we will fix this by dragging and scaling it. To be easier, this is what sometimes I do. I go here in Layer, Layer Styles, then Color Overlay. So by doing this, it will be easy for me to align it. Okay, this seems okay, but you can still refine it, but because I'm not that perfectionist, let's leave it that way. Okay, let's test it. Right, not looking good. If you can see here, this guy should be behind this mask guy. So what are we going to do? There are two methods. Either you have a patience like Yoda, which is rotoscope this guy like crazy, or just use blending mode. Press F4 if you don't see the mode columns, then choose darken. Look at that. Okay, let's create 3 more masks. Just remember guys, click, then slide. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this tutorial, click subscribe. Lots of content coming, and don't forget to click on the notification bell for future videos. Sign out.